y'all ready to lose.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all.
The dude's back live, the killer with a squad, so the movement back, baby, the music back. And you got a courtside seat to get it straight from the source. Not cool as that, so you can hate them, but the truth is that you fucking with the best, so we coming with the new shit black. Yeah, I need to know how y'all feeling. I need to know if y'all willing to raise it up to the ceiling and get it going. We gotta get it up.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all.
Y'all ready to ride? Y'all ready to fly? Y'all ready to live? Y'all ready to come on?
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all.
Y'all ready to move? If y'all ready to fool? If y'all ready to win? If y'all ready to lose?
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all.
Yeah, the mission is to kill a man. For the love, respect, and the dividends. For the squad, the game, and the Benjamins. For the solo art, and to get it in. Believe I gotta get it in. That's why I'm out on the push with no limit, man. That's why I'm out on the move with no gimmick, man. That's why I'm down to stop, you can't quit it, man.
They probably got a permit or something. I don't think they'll allow me because they got these kinds of skates. Heyo. I guess I can write this. See ya.
This is Fulton Street. Transfer is available to 2, 3, 4, 5.
I thought they were equipped with the new equipment. My bad. I don't even say where the elevator is anymore. It's just right here.
Kill that beat, pull that smoke and breathe that heat. DJ gon' put that on repeat. Grind time, I hurt that street. This is work, it ain't no sleep. Push until your body weak. If you don't win, then you don't eat. Yeah, my crew don't know defeat. All we know is how to beat the brakes off of anybody out there trying to stop the cheese. There's nobody stopping me. He blames a copper plea, and I'ma put this mic through their face for trying to mock me, beat. Until we falling out, breaking along, we out of control, we down the road. Y'all wanna get it up, then let me know. If we can put it on blast and tell it. Until we falling out, breaking along, we out of control, we down the road. Y'all wanna get it up, then let me know. If we can put it on blast and tell it. They say they can't believe the way the boy MCs. I bring them in by the million, so now I'm a lead. And every time I speak, them haters rest in peace. I reinforce my spot as the commander-in-chief.